Welcome to this video lecture on NVIDIA Utilities designed for managing and optimizing GPU performance. Today we'll explore various command line and script utilities provided by NVIDIA to help you monitor, manage and optimize your GPU workloads. By the end of this session, you have a solid understanding of these tools and how to use them effectively in your development and deployment process. Okay, so our first tool or our first command is NVIDIA SMI. So it is a command line utility for monitoring and managing NVIDIA GPUs. What are the key features? So you can see the key features also display GPU utilization, temperature, power draw, and other matrices. Control GPU settings like clock speeds, fan speeds, and power limits. Queries details about installed NVIDIA GPUs and NVIDIA driver. Second one is NVIDIA CUDA amps control. So overview is a control daemon for managing the NVIDIA CUDA amps server daemon. So the key features is managing the startup and shutdown of amps server instance used to configure GPU settings and monitor GPU settings. Then third one is NVIDIA CUDA amps server. So a daemon that manages CUDA context on NVIDIA GPUs. What are the key features? So owns the CUDA context on the GPUs and execute GPU operations for client application. Appears as the active CUDA process when querying about active process via NVIDIA SMI. Fourth one is NVIDIA bug reporter.sh. So the overview is a script for generating bug reports related to NVIDIA GPUs. What are the key features? Collect and packages relevant information about a system and NVIDIA GPU. Then fifth one is NVIDIA NGX updater. Then sixth one is NVIDIA sleep.sh. NVIDIA sleep.sh is basically a script for managing system sleep and hibernation. What are the key features? So manages system sleep and hibernation settings. Then NVIDIA persistence overview is a utility for managing NVIDIA GPU persistence. So the key features is manage persistence settings for NVIDIA GPUs. Then NVIDIA Xconfig overview is a utility for configuring NVIDIA GPU settings. Then the key features is the configuring NVIDIA GPU settings like resolution, refresh rate, and more. Then NVIDIA debug dump, the overview utility for NVIDIA debug NVIDIA GPU issues. Key features is collects and analyze debug information about NVIDIA GPU issues. Then 10th one is NVIDIA settings, a utility for configuring NVIDIA GPU settings. And the key features is configures NVIDIA GPU settings like resolution, refresh rate, and more. Then 11th one is NVIDIA powered, a utility for managing NVIDIA GPU power settings. Key features manages power settings for NVIDIA GPUs. Then 12th one is NVIDIA NGX updater. Then overview is the updater for NVIDIA GPU drivers. Key features updates NVIDIA GPU drivers to the latest version. Then now open your PuTTY first. Okay, so yeah, give me a minute. I will active my PuTTY again. Duplicate session. Okay, so here you can see that we have run some commands. Then first login is Ubuntu. Give password. Okay, and here you can see you can give the password, make it big. Now what we have to do next? We have run some commands. We have to run some commands. So what we have to do run? So we have to run NVIDIA bug reporter.sh. Okay, so copy this command and go on sudo and paste it and enter. Okay, what is the okay? I think it is some gap. NVIDIA bug reporter .sh. What is this NVIDIA bug reporter.sh? We have to do this with the desktop option. Okay, no worries. We have started our desktop and give username, give password. Okay, and after giving password, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. What is the problem here? Let's see. The list of available is more than a week old. To check for new updates, run sudo. Okay, let's do this. Run sudo apt update. Okay. I think there are some updates. Now we have to run same command again. Okay. And command is give me a minute. Tu- 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 tu. Sudo uh, sudo. Then what is the command? NVIDIA bug. I have to check our commands again. NVIDIA bug reporter dot report dot. Oh shit! I think I have run reporter. Okay. Okay. This is the silly mistake that I am doing. Okay. So paste it and report. Now I can run this command. And here you can see that it is successfully works. NVIDIA bug report.sh will not now collect information about your system and create the file NVIDIA bug report logged in the current directory. It may take several seconds to run. In some cases, it may hang trying to capture data generated dynamically by the Linux kernel and or the NVIDIA kernel module. While the bug report log file will be incomplete, if this happens, it may still contains enough data to diagnose your problem. Okay, so here you can see that we can also run same commands on. Yep, you can see here we are already running this command sudo nvidia bug report.sh, and here it works successfully. Okay, so again we have to run some more commands for your demonstration. Okay, so we have run this NVIDIA NGX updater. Okay, and let's check our commands again. Yes, now it this time it's correct. So sudo and paste the command and enter. So you can see that your NGX is update now. Now next we have run what command NVIDIA sleep.sh. Yep. So you can check these commands also from our website. So you can, if you click on product and support page, then you can find about the CUDA setup library product. If you click on product and support page, I will show you. And if you check this product and support page, then you can find about the NVIDIA CUDA suite complete guide. And in this lecture, I am using Azure VM. So you can use any VM because all the guides are same. Okay, so if you use Azure, so I am using Azure here, so I can follow Azure guide. Okay, so where our commands? Yep, this one. Okay, so we have run some more commands here, like sudo and NVIDIA select.sh. Okay, so here you can see that this command is also worked successfully. Now we have to run some more command NVIDIA sudo NVIDIA settings. Okay, NVIDIA settings. The control displays undefined. Please run NVIDIA settings. Says help for users information. Okay, this will not work. Then we have run some more commands like NVIDIA debug tum. Okay, so we have run this command also. So you can see that the options are available here. A lot of options are available here. The options include list, device, file, verse, debug, help, version, dump all, level XYZ. You can check this also. Then we have run more commands like NVIDIA powered. Okay, so sudo and paste the command and NVIDIA powered. So sudo NVIDIA okay, this command is not working, I think. I think there is some problem. So after all these things, you can see that the commands are working now and some commands are not working. So this depends, like there are some errors, so we have fixed that. So like in this way, you can run the commands and know about the functionalities, know about the key features, know about the overview of the NVIDIA utilities. These all are some commands. Okay, so you can also check from the like video, like we can explain all the commands and other things. Okay, so that's all about this video, and I hope you guys like this video, and please support us. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel also. Please follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter also for more updates, and we will provide more content and we will provide more lectures. We will provide more valuable content on latest technologies. So that's all about this lecture. We will meet in next video. Happy coding.